Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your Samsung Tab A11. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and remove the screen protector in a case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. When you have a screen protector that's poor quality or it's just misaligned and not placed properly, then it can cause the touchscreen to become less responsive. Now for the case, we have the bezels right here. You guys can see the little gap between the screen and the edges, and if the case is covering even a part of the screen, then it can also cause the interference. So if that's the case, then make sure to remove it and remove the screen protector. Now what you guys can do next is grab a microfiber cloth. So we have a microfiber cloth, and now we just want to clean our screen so we get rid of debris, fingerprints, moisture, and everything else. So here I have the microfiber cloth. Now all we have to do is just swipe, and now our screen looks beautiful. So now, as a last resort, what can we do? We can update our software. But before that, let's restart our tablet to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button, now click on restart and tap again to restart the tablet. Now we have the logo, and now all we have to do is wait for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after restarting our tablet, we just need to unlock it by using the pattern, pin, or anything else. And as a last resort, we can update our software. So let's open up the settings. And here in the settings, let's scroll down all the way to the bottom until we see the software update. Now click on download and install, and it will check for updates automatically. So now, as you guys can see, we have our software up to date. Now if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of issues, including the touchscreen being less responsive or not responding at all. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.